Welcome to the Chicken Egg Boys. Sorry, Wednesday. We have a special guest coming. Come in, Carson.
What's up? Today we're making another alligator puppet video.
And I hope you like it.
And it's going to be really funny.
Because it's all about Halloween, and I hope you have a good Halloween. So, yeah.
Bye.
Let's get to it.
Yes, I have done it. I have completed my costume. I am the Grim Reaper, and now it's time to go trick-or-treating. Trick-or-treat!
Okay, here's some candy.
Ah! What was that for? That was too many pieces! You hit me in the face!
Well,
You
it's
jerk!
still candy. Ooh, someone's at the door. Okay.
Trick-or-treat!
Okay.
Ah! What was that for?
Trick! I gave you a trick.
That's so mean! Hey,
Anyway, I
that's
gave
so
you a
mean.
treat. Well, I gave you a trick, so trick job!
Trick-or-treat!
Oh, hi, young man. What good costume you have. This is a good toy for a good boy.
Thank you so much, Grandma. Bye. Thank you so much.
Hi, have a happy Halloween.
Trick-or-treat!
Get off my lawn! Oh, get off my lawn! Get off Get it! Hope you liked Alligator Puppet for showing up.
And we are going to be making a new video in like a few minutes, so you might want to go check that out. Link in the description below.
Okay, I hope you like and subscribe. I wish you could comment, but so bye!